What's up, guys? How's everybody out there doing tonight? I hope you all had a fantastic day today. It is that time again for random hobby pack opening. This is going to be round 26. Got a ton of packs this time. Got 40 packs. So let's get right into it and take a look at the products that we have. I got some 2019 Optic, 7 packs of that. Got 2019 Phoenix, 3 packs of Phoenix. The good old trusty Donruss football, 5 packs of Donruss. Got 4 packs of playoff football. Well, I don't even know why I say football. It's all football. Got 5 packs of contenders. Last time I did contenders wasn't that good. In the last random hobby pack opening, everything else is pretty good. Let's see. We got some 2018 Prizm. Now, these packs were a little pricey, so I'm hoping something cool comes out of here, but we don't know yet. 3 packs of this year's 2019 Prizm. Got some Select. Got 5 packs of Select. 2019 product that just came out. 3 packs of Rookies and Stars. And I have a singular pack of XR football, a single pack of contenders draft picks, and a single pack of limited 2019. So those will be our guaranteed hits. We're guaranteed to get something out of these 3 packs. The rest is up in the air. No idea. Let's find out, though. We're going to start with Donruss football. This is one of those under the radar products because the inserts are phenomenal, and sometimes you can hit some really good autos as well. Randall Cunningham, they got some of the old school players in there too. Nelson, Kenny Galladay, red press proof. There's usually about 3 of these per box, 3 or 4 maybe. Jared Goff, Elite Series, great looking card. Fans of the game, Aaron Andrews, and AJ Brown, rated rookie. Gonzalez, Carr, JPP, Leo Jones, Joe Namath. We have a nice, not bad. Marquise Brown out of 500, rated rookie. It's pretty sweet. Purple border. JJ Watt, Action All Pros. Rookie Gridiron Kings, Jarrett Stidham, and Travis Homer. Fitz, Eli, Mike Allstott, Peyton, Norman Simmons, Lamar Jackson, red, Nicole Hardman Jr., Elite Series rookies, Derrick Henry throwback, and Gary Jennings Jr. Wentz, Suggs, Williams, Calvin Ridley, Stafford, Tevin Cole, another red, Coleman red, Travis Kelce, Canvas, Miles Sanders. I like these canvas cards. You can kind of see in the light. That nice canvas look to him. Josh Jacobs, rated rookie. So last pack of this, Daniil Hunter, Jones, Byard, Miles Sanders, Deron Lee, Sony Michel, purple, out of 500. Dominators, Trubisky, Josh Jacobs, canvas, Dakota Allen. So no hits out of that product, but a few nice cards. We're going to be moving on to, let's move on to Phoenix. 2019 Phoenix. T.Y. Hilton, Levante David. I got to save that for David. Likes any cards with David in the name. Derek Carr, purple, out of 149. Eric Berry, and a Kyler Murray rookie. Phoenix was one of those products that they had a lot of surface issues. If you can find a Phoenix card with a really good surface, then you're doing well. what's going on here. Let's see. Kirk Cousins. Luck. Melvin Ingram. Out of 199. And Draymond Jones autograph. That's going to be our first autograph of this break. Hopefully not our last. That is not numbered. And Ben Burkervin. Final pack of this. Andy Dalton. Ooh, we got a silver. Andrew Luck. Catching fire. Look at that. Larry Fitzgerald. That's sweet. 21/99. Nice card. Jared Stidham, quarterback vision. And Darius Slayton. All right, next up. What are we going to do next? We're going to do Rookies and Stars next. Rookies and Stars 2019. Let's see here. Kittle, Mixon, Rodgers, Eli Manning. That's super short print. 7/10. That gold, Eli. 7/10. Joe Mixon, Gurley, Watson, Debo, Johnson, and Travis Homer. This pack seems really thick. I don't know if there's a filler or something in here. Maybe there's a hit. Let's find out. Chubb, Manning, Dwayne Haskins. Oh, that's chunky. 24/25. Nice chunky 3-color patch on the bottom there. Cross training. Dwayne Haskins. Nice. Aaron Donald out of 99. Kuechly, Saquon Barkley, Brady star-studded, Matthew Stafford. That's super short print too. 3/10, dude. Wow. 3/10 Stafford. That was a pretty good pack. A couple 3-numbered cards, one of them being that dual patch. It's crazy. All right. Marquise Blair and Will Greer rookie. All right, one more pack of Rookies and Stars. We'll figure out something else to move on to. T.Y. Hilton, Alvin Kamara, cross-training Damian Harris. Whoa, there's another chunky. That's out of 25, dude. Holy cow, look at that. 3-color on the bottom, 2nd color just barely peeking out of there on the top one. 18/25, dude. Nice. Warren Moon, Airborne. Wilson, Hardman, Khalil Mack. Nick Bosa. And Lil Jordan Humphrey. All right, let's do Optic. I got 7 packs of Optic. Never know what's going to come out of here. You can get some sweet short print color. That's kind of what I would hope for, but maybe on Bell. Mike Evans, Aqua, out of 299. Oops. Chauncey Gardner-Johnson. Goff, Wilson, Nicole Hardman Jr., silver, or I should say hollow, rated rookie. Beautiful card. Rated rookie hollows are so nice looking, dude. Super clean. I like that. Jeffrey Simmons. Winston, Fitz, got Saquon Hampton out of 299. Aqua, Nasir Adderley. AP. Tyreek Hill. Patrick Mahomes, Elite Series. Tristan Hill. Ryan. Oh, we got a redemption. Richard Sherman. No way, dude. Let's see what it is. All right. Banagu. I don't know. Football. That's good. Optic. Rated rookie auto. Hunter Renfrow. Another Hunter Renfrow. And he's a redemption in a lot of products. Sweet though, dude. You know that's going to be on-card auto. So that's good. What? Got another auto in here? These packs did come from 2 different boxes. So it's a possibility. Rodgers, Gary, and Conley. It's a rate. No way. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. 8 of 50. Oh no way. Oh my gosh, dude. My brother called it too. Oh my gosh, and it's red. Oh my gosh. Kaboom. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Jeez. Oh. Oh my gosh. All right, I'm shaking a little bit. Oh my gosh, dude. Oh, Kyler has been, this is a very good thing. Kyler's been following me around this football card season. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. All right, I'm just gonna put this in the top loader real quick, and we'll carry on. I don't know how I'm gonna top this. Oh my goodness gracious, dude. Oh wow. Oh my gosh. Marquise Blair. Holy cow. I did not expect that. I took like 2 packs from one box and 3 packs from one box and 4 packs from the other box. That is crazy. David Montgomery. Oh, that's another David. DeAndre Baker. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Playoff football. Oh my gosh, dude. I'm in disbelief right now. Been pulling Kyler like crazy lately. Oh my gosh. Fournette, Bell, Elway, Archie Manning, AP, DK Metcalf rookie wave, and Odell Beckham Jr. Dude, how do I keep going on after pulling that Kyler? That's huge. That's massive. That is a massive card. And it's red. Like, I mean, yeah, the other colors are cool. The ones that are, like, lower numbered, gold out of 10 and green out of 5 and all that stuff. But that matches the jersey, dude. That's, like, extra cool. In my mind, at least. Westbrook, Peyton Barber. 3rd down, Damian Williams. Should have been the MVP of the Super Bowl, I think. 20 out of 25. Very nice. Rookie wave, Josh Allen. Thunder and Lightning. And Jeffrey Simmons. Oh my gosh. My brother, Cheddar Bob, texted me before I did this video and said, if you hit more than one Kyler, we can't be brothers anymore. So, no more Kylers. I can't have him mad at me. All right, Caleb Wilson out of 49. Paris Campbell. And Thunder and Lightning, Kelsey and Tyreek Hill. Rodney Anderson. All right, one more pack of playoff. Okay, Sutton. Dalton, Keenan Allen. Clinton Portis. I like that they put the old school players in here. Anytime I see that, dude, Joe Namath or Barry Sanders in a product or something, I like it. Carson Wentz and accolades, Juju Smith-Schuster, Jersey Relic, and Bryce Love. Bryce Love, man. Holy cow. Okay, let's roll with Select, dude. Let's do Select. Let's do the hot new product. 2019 Select. I love this product. The color is amazing. Dwayne Haskins rookie off the bat. Russell Wilson. We have a Patrick Mahomes. Beautiful. Field level Prizm, dude. Beautiful card. Oh my goodness. Awesome. Good stuff. Jelani Tavai. Tricolor out of 199. And a Terry McLaurin. Peyton Manning. Marquise Brown rookie card. We have a Noah Fant field level silver. Or, yeah, we'll call it a silver. That's fine. Ooh! Pat Tillman. Pat Tillman snapshot silver. Ooh, that is going in a penny sleeve right off the bat, dude. This kind of stuff that Panini chucks in these products, dude. I like it. Leonard Fournette. Pack 3. I got 5 packs of this. So we'll see if maybe we can pull an auto or maybe a patch card or something. Hardman, Mahomes. Silver of Ryan Finley. Now, a lot of people have written this guy off. Maybe I should too. I don't know. But not quite there yet. You never know with him. Jalen Hurd tricolor. Out of 199. And then a Darnell Savage Jr. And you know what? I think one of these or both of these are thicker. They could be filler cards though. Select usually has, I think, 2 filler cards per box, so they're probably both fillers. Irv Smith Jr. This one definitely is. Oh, a Drew Lock silver. Oh, buddy. That's a beauty. Drew Lock silver field level. That is a beautiful card right there. Randall Cobb, purple die cut out of 75. Kind of hurts a little bit to see him in the Cowboys uniform, to be honest, but it's all good. I'm glad he's having a fun time. Odell Beckham Jr. And the final pack is Select. All right, we got Hodges, Ty Johnson, Chris Godwin out of 10, dude. Oh my goodness. Whoa. Chris Godwin out of 10. This dude is an animal too, man. That tandem with him and Evans. If Jameis can stop throwing it to the other team, they're going to be... Oh, what a beautiful card. Oh my gosh. 9 of 10. Holy cow. Unbelievable. All right, Adam Thielen and Melvin Ingram. Dude, Select is... awesome. All right, let's do Prizm. 2019 Prizm. I want to save that 2018 Prizm for a little bit later on. I don't know if that's going to be a good idea or not, but this is this year's Prizm. Allen, Moore, Harrison Smith. Ooh, we got a silver. Eddie George, Robert Woods. It is Devin Bush. I don't know if I have this one, but I'll have to look. Devin Bush. I don't know if I have that for my set, but I will look. Lonnie Johnson Jr. Blue Wave out of 199. And actually, my kids picked these packs out. They picked a lot of the packs out tonight. Devin Singletary, Travis Fulgham. I'm trying to think if they picked out the optic packs. I don't think they did. I know they picked out these Prizm packs. Keenum, Michelle Boyd, Sherman, Staubach, Hayden Hurst, Red Wave. It's out of 149. Ooh, first off the line out of 149. Zach Allen and Paris Campbell. So last pack of 19 Prizm. Oh, looks like I see some purple. It's a rookie. Ooh, Hollywood Brown. Out of 49, Hollywood Brown. Purple Power. That's a good one, dude. Holy cow, that's a nice card. No ink in these 3 packs, but hey. A nice short print hot rookie. It's always a good thing. Hawkinson, and hey, there we go. We got a quarterback rookie. Gardner Minshew. All right. Let's do contenders. Let's do tendies. Then we'll do the 3 packs that we know we're going to get something out of. And then we'll end it with the 2018 Prizm. Legendary contenders. All right. MVP contenders, Prescott. Oof. Justice Hill. You know, you get contenders are strictly about the autographs. So when you don't get them, it's kind of a, okay, we got one here. It's a bear. What? That's not an autograph. It's going to be the numbered card. Out of 175, Khalil Mack. Playoff ticket. Metcalf. AP and Matt Ryan. Final pack of tendies. Let's see if we can get something out of here. No. Chandler Jones. Nope. Nothing out of the tendies. All right. Let's go limited. 2019 limited. Let's see. What do we got here? Baker Mayfield. Landon Collins, Honey Badger, Kirk Cousins, and Will Greer. Oh, the chunky Will Greer patch there out of 149. On-card autograph, rookie patch auto. Nice. Quarterback. It's always good. It's always a good thing. All right. XR football. 2019. We should get an auto or a patch auto or something out of this, I think. We'll see. Oh, shoot. Homer. Kerryon Johnson. Derwin James. We got Andrew Luck out of 249. Clelin Ferrell out of 99. Justice Hill. Rookie jersey auto triple out of 199. And Extreme Rookies out of 149. Irv Smith Jr. All right. So we got Tendy's draft picks. This product has been pretty crazy for me. The craziness has to end soon here, though. It's got to. Connor Rogers. Get one auto for sure in here. Traquan Smith. Oh, it's not going to be Paris Campbell. Oh my gosh, dude. It's out of 18. 1 out of 18. Paris Campbell. Game day ticket. The Ohio State University. Very nice. McSorley. All right. Now we're down to our last 2 packs. We got 2018 Prizm. These packs were a little pricey, but I wanted to give it a shot just because. Cordy, I had Grace pick 1 pack and Lucy pick 1 pack. So if anything gets pulled out of here, it's because they picked the packs. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Boom! Kaboom! We got a Saquon Barkley rookie auto, dude. What? Nice. Oh my gosh. Ooh. Carlton Davis and Dylan Cantrell. Oh my goodness. Saquon Barkley. This has been another great random hobby pack opening. I appreciate y'all hanging around and watching with me. Let's see what we get in the last pack here. Looks like we got some green crystals. These boxes have shot up to a ridiculous amount of money because of Lamar Jackson and everybody else. Ooh, it's a rookie. Rookie green crystals. Traquan Smith. All right, MJ Stewart and Ronald Jones II. Alrighty, everybody. Well, that is going to do it for Random Hobby Pack opening round 26. A quick recap. I won't go through everything, but we just hit the Saquon, Paris Campbell, Will Grier, Crazy Chris Godwin out of 10, and the big hit, well, the Hunter Renfrow. We got a couple other things in the stack over there, but the big hit, the Kyler Murray red optic on-card auto, 8 out of 50. Absolutely incredible. So thank you guys for hanging out. That's going to do it for this video. Thank y'all for watching, and I'll be back with another video soon.